Hi everyone, tonight I'm out here in the pitch black darkness to test out the GoPro Hero 10 Black Creator Edition, which has a microphone, a battery grip, and a really bright LED light. And it is absolutely the perfect setup for filming at night. I'm only at, I think, the lowest setting here on the light, and it's illuminating me very well. And yeah, let's take it around and film some things in the darkness. So now it's daytime, and I wanted to show off how the LED light can be used to smooth out some of those harsh shadows that you sometimes get when filming outdoors during the day. And it does a pretty good job of that. It's really nice for filming in high contrast situations during daylight hours. Of course, it's a fairly dim, rainy day, so this is maybe not the best circumstances to be showing off this capability, but you can see how it is lightening up my face rather nicely. And we're just gonna go around and show you some more footage captured using the Creator Edition.